How to fix undoing changes made to your computer Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and after installing the most recent Windows 10 11 update, sometimes a computer may become stuck in a boot loop and error messages may appear. So there are some steps on how you could solve it. So there are first of the things on how to fix it. You have to know what has really caused it, and in order to undo it, at first you have to open the command prompt admin, and then you can type the very command is given below, that is sfc scan now, exe online cleanup image click health, exe slash online slash cleanup image slash restore health, and then you have to wait for the scans to finish. Once done with the scan, you can run the commands, that is netstop wasverb, netstop bits rename, or c slash windows slash software distribution to software distribution.back and netstart wasverb and the netstart bits. Then you can try reconnecting the system again and installing the Windows update again. The other method could be launching the safe mode by powering off your device, restarting your gadget and selecting update and security from the settings menu, selecting advanced start off after selecting the recovery, and clicking on the restart now. So this is the way on how you could do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.